And this is Anam and Dotocha part of Anambra East local government area of Anambra State currently. To understand what is going on, I took a trip to Otuocha and Anam in Anambra East local government area and Anambra West local government area of Anambra State, and what I saw was heartbreaking. Entire local government of over 20 communities submerged. This is Otuocha garage. This is the market. This line of house. When I was preparing for this trip, I decided to wear a short to avoid folding my trouser because I believe the flood will still be on. As we paddled through Otuocha market on our way to Anam, I was heartbroken seeing people's property and means of livelihood underwater. When I asked what the Anambra State government is doing to alleviate the suffering of these communities affected by flood, I was informed that 2 days back, the governor visited Anam and the Umueri community and shared food items to those at the IDP camp in both communities. Now to the big question. What is the cause of this flood and how can it be stopped or managed? Several reports has blamed this terrifying flood on the Cameroonian government due to the opening of Lago Dam in the country, thereby releasing excess water into River Benue, which flows through several states in Nigeria, thereby causing the river to overflow its bank. If this was the case, wasn't there supposed to be a means to avert something like this from happening from Nigerian end? Or is the life of each citizen not that important? According to NEMA and Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency, Kainji Dam, Shiroro and Jaba Dam have already started spilling excess water from their reservoir, and with the release of water from Cameroon, which started on the 13th of September, will cause excess flooding in 13 states in Nigeria. And what you are looking at is the devastating effects. Lives has been lost, properties destroyed, people's means of livelihood gone. This is no time to play politics. These people need help from both government and individuals to survive and to get back on their feet.
Under my bed, thinking something out of my you get by.